Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus from DPSU Fohish. Greetings to all of my audience tonight. I hope all of you are doing well and blessed. So, just a little about me. Let me introduce myself a bit. I'm, you might say, the leader of our group tonight. The one who the leads, obviously, because I'm at the beginning. I am a representative from the bank, Maybank, to introduce all of you on our latest product, which latest service, which is this service. Okay, let's go on to the next slide. The presenter. Okay, the presenter is the one, the who will present for all of you tonight. So the first one, me, Muhammad Firdaus, right there, and the second one, Muhammad Darwish. It will not be in order, but they will be in here. Muhammad Darwish, Muhammad Fahmi, Zaid, Zainuddin, and Muhammad Alif. You will meet all of them later. Okay, on to the next slide. Index. What do we have in our slide? Okay, we have introduction, which will be the next slide. Reason, the reason why you should know. Our objective, what our objective on this presentation. SME Digital Financial. What is SME Digital Financial? Just wait for a moment and we will explain it to you. We'll tell you about the service, the difference between Islamic and conventional. Okay, if you never heard of that, don't worry, you will understand later. The application, required documents, if you want to apply for this service. If you what type of document needed, it will be explained. Apply, how to apply it. Obviously, don't worry because later the other presenter will explain everything. So don't worry so much. And bonus, if you're asking what is the bonus, it's a secret, that's why it's called a bonus. So if you want to know, you can stay tuned at the end of this presentation. Before the conclusion, you will get this bonus. But let me give you a glimpse. What is the bonus? The bonus is more like a tips on how to get it more. No worries. On to the next slide. Introduction. Okay, a little known fact about our bank, which is Maybank. Maybank was established in 1960 and today is the largest company by market capitalism on Malaysian brochure. It can be found throughout in Malaysia, such as Wilayah Persekutuan, Pahang, Selangor, Melaka, Johor, Kedah, Perak, Sarawak, Perlis, Pening, Negeri Sembilan, Sabah, Kelantan, and Terengganu. The Maybank Group offers comprehensive range of products and service that include commercial banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, offshore banking, leasing and hire purchase, insurance, factoring, trustee service, asset management, stock and broking, nominee service, voucher capital, and internet banking. There are some has been marketed over 10 years and there are some newly still today at market, which is one of our our service. It's actually still new. You will get more detail later. Next slide. Okay, why do we need to know? Yes, a good question. Why do you need to know about this presentation, about this service? So why do we need to know? So I here put on three elements here, which is pandemic, future, and family. Why I put all these three elements? Because they all are related, and our service will give a little bit of solution, just a little. Most of time you need to do it yourself, and our service will help you a little to help you. So imagine this. You're selling kuih. Such as love letter, or cookies almond, or all this traditional Malaysian kuih. You're doing great, by the way. You're doing great. Like, hello, 30 more, no problem. Hello, tomorrow, no problem. You get order left and right. And then all of a sudden there's something new came out, which is the coronavirus. 2019, obviously 2019. And you say to yourself, I don't need to care much about this coronavirus, because I'm in Malaysia, and that stuff is there, there in China. Okay, no way near. Then Chinese New Year come, yada yada, and you know what happened next. 2 weeks PKP. In 2 weeks PKP, you can still. Okay, I'm still pretty good, right? I'm pretty good still. But then 1 month, 2 months, 3 months in PKP, and what happened to you? Your product, your food, your recipes, all just go to waste. No one wants to buy your food anymore. Without anyone buying your food, how can you have a bright future? How could you put a food on the table for your family, to supply your family? So after that, you won't stay still, correct? You must do something about it, right? No way you will just give up. No, you will do something. You will make a plan. What plan you will making? You're planning about making a new recipe, a new helpful stuff. But if you're asking the reason why no one buying your food anymore, is because, as you know, in West, when this coronavirus first came, everyone just panic buying, which is they buying toilet tissues, right? Toilet tissue. In Malaysia, we are also panic buying the rice, the bread. The Gardenian bread went missing for a few months. So in Malaysia also panic buying. So your old customer, usually who came to you buy stuff with you, all of a sudden just gone, because they are seeing there's something more important in front of them, which is the supply for their family. And because of that happening, you don't have the money to supply your own family. So when you start planning your new service, your new product delivery, no matter what, this service will help you, because it is a loaning service. Let's say you have something, got a plan, what need to do, but I don't have the money. It's been 3 months, no one buying my products. What do I have to do? Don't worry, just contact us, and we will help you and get your money back. We will loan you. And this is exactly why you need to know. If you are in a business, but if you're not, it's still helpful. It's still helpful. It's loaning. The same process, same goals. So that's basically why you should know. It will help you during this pandemic. It will help you in the future, obviously, and your family. Okay, the next slide. Okay, gains. What will you gain in this presentation? In this presentation, what will you gain? This the objective, our objective, like I said before. you will have the knowledge of SME Digital Financial understanding. Financial. You will completely have understanding what is SME Digital Financial, and how do you use it, that what requirement needed, which is the documents, what the documents needed for your application, and how to apply. You will follow step by step. Don't worry, the other representative will help you. If you feel like to don't understand anything, just raise your hand and ask some question, or if this become a video, you can post it in comment. I will make sure everyone will answer your question if needed. And finally, the bonus. See, the bonus is very mysterious. What is this bonus? Just a glimpse, like I said before. Just a glimpse is a tips and tricks how to make your application more acceptable. What do's and not do's. If you want to know, wait till the end of our presentation. Oh, that's it for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Darwish bin Jamaluddin from class DPSU 4H. Okay. In this part, I want to talk about SME Digital Service, SME Digital Financial from my bank. Okay. About this service, it released in this year, if not mistaken, on 12th April 2021. Okay. About Maybank SME Digital Financial is the first in the market to offer end-to-end digital experience. It is fast. Okay. This service is fast, simple, and convenient. Okay. This service, reliable existing customer can receive the approval status for their application within 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes. It's fast, right? 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. If normal loan, it may take until a week, year, and to approve their status application. Okay. The fund can be disbursed within 1 minute upon acceptance of the offer. Okay. The fund. Okay, tak apalah. All term financing offered via the Maybank SME Digital Financing are collateral free. Okay. Next is about SME Digital Financial is divided in two. Okay. First is Islamic value proposition. Second is conventional. Okay. About Islamic value proposition. Okay. Sharia. First is a Sharia compliant financing based on the principle of commodity murabaha, cost plus profit. Okay. Next is save more on your financing. Profit charge is based on the outstanding principal amount and not compounded. Okay. The next is protection of ceiling rate and the bank sale price. Protect your financing exposure with the maximum claim by the bank in the event of increasing bank financing rate, ni BFR. Okay. No lock in period. Early statement fee, exit penalty upon early settlement. Okay. About the second is conventional. Okay. Conventional is still follow the standard, which mean like apa tu, like a conventional lah. Is to increase profit. Okay. It's just that from me. Okay, I will pass to the next. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alifaikan bin Isham. I'm from DPHU 4H. Okay, I want to talk about application for request SME Digital Financing or apply. This one request document to submit online. SME Digital Financing is type service loan or service mode, especially for borrowers from small and medium enterprise, because they want help small traders develop their enterprise in order to support their family, not to be affected by pandemic COVID-19 is plaguing this country now. Okay, to apply, no document required if you already a My Bank customer. If you new to My Bank, you must take identity card of directors, shareholders, properties, partners, and business registered document or trading license for business operating in Sabah and Sarawak. Latest 6 month bank statement optional, but this document will increase your chain of approval.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaid Zainuddin bin Mahzan from class DPHU 4H. I am responsible for the part of how to register for this SME Digital Financial Service. Okay, let's start. What we need is just follow the step. The first step is we need go to a search place, rather is Google or Firefox or any other type of search place online. Okay, and type in mybank.my. Okay, and then when you look at top right corner, there is personal and business, and select the business account. And scroll down a little, click SME Digital Financial, and then it can apply on top right corner. Okay, after that, there will be an option and we can choose type of loan we prefer, which is conventional or Islamic. Okay, conventional, Islamic. Okay, and then select or type in how much money we want, click next. Example 90,000. Okay, give a little information about our company, like the name, what type and what size. Okay. Okay, click save and next. Okay, give our personal detail, but if we have registered or log in, my bank will fill in it in for us. Personal detail, address. Eight. Okay, finally we are done. I hope everyone understand. It's easy and simple. Even documents are not necessary. Okay, so I will hand uh, over this presentation to the next person. Alright, thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Ismail, and I'm from class DPHU 4I, and my number matric is DHU 202024-789. Okay, I will present about know your business, or tips to improve your proposal, your approval change. Okay. Firstly, the frequently asked question that people ask at secret record is, for example, the question is, my company's business loans with other banks is under restructuring and restructuring. Will this affect negatively on new business loan application with your bank? And the answer is yes, it may. Okay, next, the next question is, I have fines or summons for telco or utilities company. Will it affect my company business loan application with your bank? Okay, this answer is unpaid fine summons may give unfavorable score on your record, and this may affect your business loan application. Therefore, it is recommended that all the regular payment are via standing instruction SI to ensure payment are prompt. Okay. Next, frequently asked question about loan application history. Okay, the question is, for example, the question is, my company had several loan approval with other banks in the last 12 months. Will this add my business loan application with my bank? Okay, the answer is overall high commitment may have impact on getting new credit. Okay, next question. The example question is, my loan application was recently declined by my bank. Is there a cooling for period before I can reply? Okay, the answer is you may reply after 6 months. Okay, Next, frequently asked question about qualification for loans application. Okay, the people ask the question such as like my business has been operating for about 1.5 years, 1.5 years. Does it affect my loan application? What is the minimum years of operation required? Okay, the answer is number of years in business may provide some merits, and in the credit assessment for our bank SME Digital Financing, the minimum requirement is 1 year. Okay, the next question is the next example question for qualification for loan application is my business has been operated for about 3 years without any banks borrowing. Will this have any impact on my loan application? Okay, the answer is past borrowing track record my strength, the ability to obtain credit. However, we also consider the established business relationship of the business owner and the company with us. Okay, that's the frequently asked question about qualification for loans application. Okay, the last one is advisory service. What people ask about this? Okay, for example, the question is my business is currently facing difficulty in making repayment to existing business loan or financing. Is there any agency or organization that I consult for assistance? Okay, the answer is you may contact Small Debt Resolution Scheme SDRS by Bank Negara for advice to apply for researching for existing financing facilities and provide new finance where necessary. Okay, another question of advisory service is, does Maybank provide any kind of free advisory service or summary or seminar to SME on how to improve credit scoring to that they can have better chance of loan approval? Okay, the answer is for this question is the bank is constantly assisting SMEs to grow their business with the necessary knowledge and capability through various initiatives. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
The conclusion for SME Digital Financial, the SMEs stand to gain from the recent developments, which can contribute to mitigating structural challenge hampering access to trade finance, including through improved process efficiency and quality. New product and approach to trade finance as well. New provides that tailors solution to SMEs, but the coronavirus pandemic and the corresponding restriction have exposed the weakness of relying on paper documents to conduct trade and have disrupt many supply chains. The government encouraged to support exports for digitalization digital make trade finance more accessible to SMEs, enabling them to integrate more into the global value chain. The trade finance landscape in undergoing major which digitalization being a key factor in process and product invite asset class. In my opinion, this SME digital financing can make life for smooth the whole family who are very affected by this pandemic, which has caused many cases of this stress or depression, eventually end in suicide. Therefore, this service encourage the head of the family to deal with my bank to reduce the problem that result fire.